In what ratio should rice at 9 rupees 30 paise per kg be mixed with rice at rupees 10 rupees and 80 paise per kg so that the mixture be worth rupees 10 per kg? So you have two qualities of rice. So the rice of type 1, I am selling it for 9 rupees and 30 paise, and type 2 they are selling for 10 rupees and 80 paise. Now we are mixing both the things and selling it for 10 rupees. We have to find in what ratio we have mixed both the rices to sell it on the mean price of rupees 10. So like this we have to use the alligation rule. Left side is for cheaper and right side is for dearer. You can even ulta and apply it, but there is no issue. So this one 10 minus 80 minus 10 is 0.80 and 10 minus 9.30 is 0.70. You have to write it like this. Now the required ratio is nothing but 0.80 is to 0.70. So 8:7 is the ratio. We are mixing the rice of type 1 and type 2 in the ratio 1:2. This is the problem, and this is what we have applied alligation rule and find the answer for this. In what ratio must water be mixed with milk costing rupees 12 per litre to obtain a mixture of rupees 8 per litre? And this is the best example of alligation in mixture, because every milkman mixes milk and water and sells, right? The same thing. The cost price of milk is 12 and the cost price of water is 0. So 0, you have to write it here, and 12 on the other side. And the mean price he is selling it for 8 rupees. So it comes in the center. 12 minus 8 is nothing but 4. And 8 minus 0 is 8. So water is to milk is 4:8. That is 1:2. For 2 liters of milk, he is mixing 1 liter of water and selling this mixture for rupees 8. So this is the problem. This is what we can interpret from this problem. Next problem is, there are 65 students in a class. 39 rupees were distributed among them so that each boy gets 80 paisa and each girl gets 30 paise. Find the number of girls in the class. We'll write the given statement. So total number of students is 65 and the total amount that I have in my hand is 39 rupees. And to each boy I have to give 80 paisa and to each girl I have to give 30 paisa. But I don't know how many boys are there and how many girls are there. And there are two twists they have given in this problem. One is they have given the total amount in rupees and the per head for boy and girl they have given in paisa. So we'll convert it to the paisa. Everything will have in the same units. So 1 rupee is 100 paise. So when you convert the total amount, it is 3900 paise. Now this 3900 paise is the total amount in hand. When you don't know how many boys and girls are there, how will you distribute this? You will equally distribute, right? So if you distribute equally, what you will do? You have to divide it by 65. So 3900 divided by 65 gives you 60 paise. So now when I don't know how much amount I have to give to each and everyone, I'll distribute 60 paise equally to all boys and girls. So this alligation rule, it is very important to know that you can use only the unit value. Unit value means the mean price, the mean thing you can do it. Only you can do it. You can't just apply the 3900 directly here. Okay, it is for one person, it is for one unit. So by simplification, we got boys is to girls is 30:20, that is 3:2. That's the ratio of boys and girls in the class. Now, does the problem gets over here? No. What you have to find? The number of girls in the class. To get this one, in the video 1, I have told you if you have a ratio and you have to find the proportion, what you have to do is from the total, you have to find the ratio. That is, total is 65 and ratio is what? 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 into number of girls is 2. So 65 by 5 into 2 gives you 26. Therefore, the number of girls is 26 And to find the number of boys, so the number of boys is equal to 65 divided by 3 plus 2 into 3. So boys are in the ratio of 3, right? So it is into 3. Number of boys is 39. So this is how we will find the number of girls and the number of boys in the class. We'll move to the next problem. A person travels 285 kilometers in 6 hours. Okay, from A to B it is 285 kilometers. So the total time taken for the journey is 6 hours. Now for the first part of journey, what I'm doing is I'm going by bus and then again I'm transferring to the train. So I don't know how much I have traveled in train and how much I have traveled in bus, that I don't know. But bus traveled at a speed of 40 km per hour and train traveled at a speed of 55 km per hour. Now we'll go to the we'll solve this problem. So total distance is 285. Total time taken is 6 hours. And the total speed is, or the average speed is 285 divided by 6. We'll keep it as such because we can use it in the alligation rule and easily solve it. Okay. Now speed of the bus is 40 km per hour and the speed of the train is 55 km per hour. The total speed or the average speed is 285. Average is nothing but mean. Now we have the type 1, type 2, bus speed and train speed, everything we have. Okay. So the same thing here, it is 3900 paisa. How we have converted that, the same thing it is 285 by 6 here. Okay. The same thing, it is average. So the total distance A to B we are covering with this average speed. Now the speed of the bus on one side and the speed of the train on another side in the alligation rule. So the average speed goes in the middle, 285 by 6. Now this 285 by 6 minus 55 minus 285 by 6 gives you 45 by 6, and 40 minus 285 by 6 gives you 45 by 6. So the ratio of speed of bus is to speed of the train is 1:1. Now what you have interpreted from this, you have find the ratio. I'm traveling in the distance. Okay, the distance is what? Same. 1:1 means if I go 20 kilometers in this by train, I'll go 20 kilometers in the bus. It is same, right? So the distance traveled by the train will be 285 divided by 1 plus 1 into 1. So 285 by 2, it is 142.5. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'll be solving some problems.